Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to display a byte in assembly language, more specifically MASM x86. So in the previous video I've shown you how to display a string, which is a series of characters such as hello world. But sometimes you might need to display only a byte, and you won't need to display a string, but so there's another way to do this. So before I have started recording this video, I've actually prepared the template, and basically this is all you need for every program that you are going to run. I've explained this. I explained all of these codes in the previous video as well. So if you don't understand, you could go back and check it out. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, without further ado, let's start. So it's actually very simple. So first you need to do, you need to move AX02H. This is the instruction code for every for the instruction of displaying a byte. Okay, so we call this display byte. After that, you need to move to a register called wait, let me think. DH. Yeah, sorry, DL. Okay. In what you call that, in displaying string, you will need dx, but this time you will need dl, which is the lower part of the register. I'm not going to get into theory too much, just follow along. And let's say I want app. So, and then as usual we will need the interrupt. So I hope this will work fine. Oops. Yeah, I think I forgot something. Hold on a sec. Okay, so sorry guys, and I have to just check, and this should be AH instead of AX. A very silly mistake here, sorry guys. It should be AH instead of AX. All the instructions are stored in AH instead of AX. Okay, in AX you have AH and AX, which is the higher byte, and the higher byte and lower byte. And for this, you need to store the instruction in higher byte, and for other arithmetic operation, which we will see in another video, it will be stored in AH. So we will run it, and hopefully you might see this byte right here. So if you don't want to type it like this, you want to store in a variable, you could do something like this. You could call it, let me see, my db, the size, this is a byte, and I'll make it like this. And in the previous video, I said that you need to put a $sign to terminate the string. And oh, by the way, you need to enclose it if you are using a character instead of binaries, hex, or what you call that. I'm so sorry. If you are using a character like this, you just need to enclose in quotes. Okay. So yeah. So that's it, and my one. So let's run. Okay. So if you want to refer to the ASCII list, you could refer to this, and you could see M is for D, N is for E, and the list goes on. So what does this mean? If I put for E, and don't forget the H to denote that it is in fact a hexadecimal. Okay, so let's run, and you will see, hopefully you will see yes, N. Okay, so what if I don't want to memorize the hexadecimal? It's fine, you could just type N, and it is just basically the same. Or yeah, however, if you want to use the decimal, it is not going to work. 78. Okay, we'll see 78, and you don't need to put D. 78 just means decimal. So if you want, Yeah, it works as well. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, 78 works as well. You just need to denote that is a decimal, okay? And I think that's also back to the previous point, so you don't need a dollar sign unless you are going for 09H, which is display a string. Then you will need, for example, if I put like this, and if I do something like this, let's see what will happen. Yeah, byte not found after 2000 byte. So yeah, that's the problem. Okay, so I'm not going to go too deep towards that. That is another topic. So yeah, just do this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I guess that's all for this video. This is a very short video. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.